Hi, this is Shafiq. Welcome to my channel, Technological World. Today, I will tell you how to install Windows on your systems. For this, through USB. For this, you have to make your USB bootable. Then the operating system will be installed on your system. So we will do this by Windows 7 USB bootable tool. So go to your browser, log on to this link, and just download the latest version. I have already downloaded it, so I will tell you how you can upload. So this is how it will open up. Then browse and where you have downloaded the ISO file of the Windows, just go here. I have this, so it will come here. Then go to the next. Then you, you will go to USB as you are using USB. Then it will automatically pick up the USB. Then you will do begin copying. So it will erase all the data. It will format your USB. You will say yes and yes. So it will take some time to do this. So after deleting, it will start copying files. So it will take some time that it will go to 100%. Well, this will take some time, so I have already paused video, but now I'm playing it. Still it is 27%. So I will again pause the video and wait that it will go to 100. So here, as you can see, that it is taking much time. Still 94% has been done. So now 2 to 3 minutes, inshallah, it will be done. Still taking time. So here you go. Your bootable device is ready. So you can also check by the. Now here you can see this, your USB bootable drive is ready. So now you can install the Windows by simply from your USB device. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe and help me to grow my channel. Thanks.